5 facts weekly all about animals this week. Worms. A worm, like this one here, breathes through its skin, but the skin must constantly be moist and damp in order for oxygen to pass through it. A worm doesn't technically have a heart. Instead, it has 5 aortic arches. In between each arch is a gland that helps digest calcium. The worm retrieves the calcium from the dirt that it lives in. Worms detect light via photoreceptors on their skin. They need these because otherwise they will stay in direct sunlight and dry out. Earthworms have male and female reproductive organs, meaning that they are hermaphrodites. Worms come out when it's raining because rain can suffocate their environment.